Yo, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about these 3 upcoming crypto altcoins that can make you guys rich. Now, during this bear market, I've been making some big connections. These big connections allowed me to actually bring my Patreon members some of the biggest projects that are going to be coming out very soon. And today, I will be covering 3 of them. First, we got Credora, which is a lending marketplace, right? All into RWA. So you guys already know I had to take the opportunity to get into this project here, but you guys will start to see why I believe this project will be big, from the backers to what they're looking to do. So basically, they aim to simplify the way you lend and borrow here. They have over 80 borrowers here, 25 lenders, 3 billion in total value monitored, 1 billion in loans facilitated, and 25 CeFi integrations and 16 DeFi integrations. So they're already being used in this market as of right now. So that's already huge, right? You can scroll down a little bit here. They're trusted by some of the industry leaders and some of the, RWA cryptos. We've been looking at some of your favorite ones like Maple Finance here, Clearpool, right? Zest Protocol. So there's a lot of people that are giving their testimonials. Well, not people, actual crypto companies in this space giving their testimonials on Credora here, right? Now, their goal is to have one platform, streamlining the lending cycle from all of these, as you guys can see here. Manage lending operations from one single platform, including counterparty discovery, underwriting, execution, and risk management here. You can check it all out here. This is very easy. The lending marketplace, access your yield opportunities, negotiate rates, and execute instantly here, right? This is going to be something that a lot of people are going to be looking for when it comes down to DeFi and things like that. RWAs is also something that people are going to start to read a little bit more into. Now, what I said, the backers of this project is pretty big, right? You have Coinbase Ventures here, S&P Global, Hashkey, Spartan. You got KuCoin Ventures here. These are some of the names that you probably already recognize, right? So the CEO has said that Credora solves the information asymmetry problem by using private computation techniques on real-time data, ensuring borrowers continuously validate their credit worthiness while maintaining the privacy of their sensitive information. Credora's technology helps create more transparent and open lending markets built on robust underwriting standards, right? So founded in 2019, Credora provides lending infrastructure, systematic credit ratings for private credit markets. It utilizes privacy-preserving technology to improve lenders' ability to properly evaluate credit risk in real time. Credora has facilitated over 1 billion in loans across various borrower types. So that is big right now, that they have already managed that amount of money before they have actually become public for us, right? So that's why I became so interested in Credora. And as you can see here, Clearpool is actually using the Credora platform for their credit rating system, right? So that is going to be huge, right? They're already being used everywhere. So you tell me what you guys think about Credora. Let's move on to the next project here. Now, before I talk about Archway here, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 20K subscribers. So if you guys would like to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And lastly, check out the description down below for the Discord and the Patreon. Remember, the Patreon has a tier regarding private sales. So if you guys would like to get into some upcoming projects, private sales, like these 3 I am showing in this video here, join that Patreon, which is $20 a month as of right now. We've gotten into some big projects recently during this bear market. To me, this bear market is all about like the off season, building up your portfolio, getting ready for the the real season to begin, which is the bull market. And once you get into these big projects, private sales, and they start to come out during the bull market, you are positioned well. You can use this. This is basically, no other YouTubers are actually giving you guys this opportunity for you to get into their Patreon and give you this type of access, which is why I believe this is so valuable. We've gotten into so many big projects. So join that Discord, join the Patreon, right? And let's get into the video. Now, Archway is another interesting project here that is coming out very soon. Archway is an incentivized smart contract platform that rewards developers for building on the network with baked-in incentives and reward. The protocol provides developers with the tools to quickly build and launch scalable cross-chain dApps and receive rewards for value that the dApp contributes to the network, right? It's basically one blockchain built on Cosmos. But You can use this blockchain to build anything on Cosmos, and it basically rewards you for what you contribute to their ecosystem or to the Cosmos ecosystem in general, and you'll be able to get some passive rewards from that as well. This is all for builders and things like that, right? Capture the value you create and incentivize layer 1 blockchain. We just talked about that, right? You can go ahead and read over on their website. They have a lot of things that they're doing, right? From smart contract premiums, add a fee for every time someone uses your smart contracts, right? Inflationary yield, receive a share of the network's inflation, earn tokens every time someone uses your contract, which is the gas fee rebates, right? They have a way of explaining all of this in their article that we're going to actually go ahead and look into a little bit more. So you got Archway's core contributors have a deep industry experience across many established projects here, as you guys can see, if you guys can recognize a few of these names here. Right now, I want to show you guys a few more things. Now, Archway here, their token public sale will be happening June 15th on the coin list, right? So if you guys want to get yourself prepared for this, if you watch this video through this point here, you will be prepared for the Archway public sale on coin list. Now, this is not the only thing I wanted to show you. This article was just written December 9th, 2022, right? What sets Archway apart? Archway enables developers to create dApps that brings new functionalities to existing models, right? Archway aims to be the launchpad to the Cosmos for developers by providing them with all the tools they need to create innovative dApps, right? And scrolling down a little bit more here, you get to figure out, we talked about the gas rebates, the inflation, the premium, but here's just some examples of how Arch token can actually be used. For example, an NFT platform could use the Arch token rewards to subsidize the gas fees for every user's first NFT mint, delivering a far more accessible experience for mainstream users. A DEX could eliminate certain liquidity provision fees and use Arch rewards to incentivize liquidity providers instead. A DAO could use their rewards to incentivize governance participation, increasing the efficiency of the system. So these are a few ways that you can actually use the Arch token. So this actually gives, utility to existing things that we have already in this space, like a DAO, a DEX, and NFT platform. So that to me is very innovative when it comes to Archway. Now, the last project we got the opportunity to get into the private sale of is called Celestia, right, which is a very interesting blockchain, right, layer 1 blockchain, as you guys can see here. It is the first module blockchain network, right? Celestia is a pluggable consensus and data availability layer to enable anyone to quickly deploy a decentralized blockchain without the overhead bootstrapping of a new consensus network, right? So this is very interesting in my opinion, guys, right? Tells you the advantages here for Celestia. Deploy as a blockchain as easily as a smart contract. Secure interoperability for all Celestia chains, which blockchains built on top of Celestia do not rely on honest majority assumption for a state validity, meaning that they can interoperate with the highest security standards, right? Of course, Celestia provides a consensus and security on demand, enabling anyone to deploy a blockchain without the overhead of bootstrapping a new consensus network, right? You got scaling made easy with data availability sampling, and then you could choose your own environment here. And then here it tells you a little bit more how it works. The traditional monolithic architecture, developers can only use programming languages supported by chain's execution environment. All applications run on top of the same process, right? The world's computer model with shared gas resources. Smart contracts cannot be updated without a hard fork. That's the old architecture. Now with Celestia enabled module architecture, developers can effortlessly define their own virtual execution environment similar to virtual machines, right? You got your EVM, your SVM here. SVM, if you guys don't know, is a Solana virtual machine. Each application gets their own sovereign execution space while inheriting the security of Celestia's consensus. Applications can be updated without main chain hard fork. So this is very big in terms of how you can create different blockchains and keep it, like, make them separate but also being used on Celestia here, right? And as you guys can see, this is the roadmap here from 2021 when they have started. Now they're on 2023 where they have an incentivized testnet, and they're going to be launching sometime this year here. You can run nodes on the testnet, develop in their beta, right? You can go ahead and read a lot more here. We got some more things we're going to talk about. Now, Celestia closed a 1.5 million seed fundraise from Interchain Foundation, Binance Labs, Maven 11 Capital, KR1, and others, right? Here is basically their advisors right now. You're going to have the co-creator of IBC and early Cosmos contributor. Then you're going to have the co-founder of Tendermint and co-founder of Cosmos as well, right? Then you're going to have a general partner at NFTX and the co-creator of DM, which was also formerly known as Libra. Then you have the co-founder of Harmony, and then you have some other ones here. These are the 4 that I found very interesting. But you guys go ahead and read into their blog articles and things like that. Right, heading over to their eco, which is growing. The first thing that popped up to me was when you go look at cross-chain here, you got Axler here, so they are using Axler as well. And then when you go look at DeFi, you have Crescent here, so they have other things in their ecosystem that I really don't know much about. I do know Eclipse as well, but there's some other ones I don't know about, but they're going to be growing out their ecosystem as well. As of right now, you know, you can explore it here. So this is a new blockchain as we're going to be coming out into the market here, right? Now, I want to prepare you guys with this video and also show you guys how valuable the Patreon can be for you guys getting into early access of these projects without even using, you know, getting launch pads, tokens, and things like that, and miss out the opportunity. With me, you're able to just get into these projects here. So this is something that just shows you how big and valuable that Patreon is. So if you guys don't want to miss out on the next big projects, join that Patreon, join the Discord, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.